Yo, what is going on, guys, and welcome back to a new video. Yeah, so in this video we're going to be building a keyboard, which is the first time for me. So the parts we are going to be using are some black HyperX pudding keycaps, Nordic layout, and 3 sets of glorious Holy Panda switches, which are 3 packs of 36. No idea why they're still named Holy Panda. I thought Drop took care of that. And then for the board itself, we are going to be using a glorious modular mechanical keyboard, the barebone edition. So yeah, let's start with unboxing the keyboard itself. So let's just open it up. So yeah, let's see it. Fully modular switches, by the way. Ooh, that is looking good. Of course, we get a dust cover. Just normal plastic dust cover. And yes, this is a full-size keyboard. I don't want a 60%, I don't want a TKL, because I'm not a lunatic, and I use my numpad. And yeah, in the box we of course get this glorious Ascend key, which you can see it's glossy plastic. And yeah, as you can see, it's just a normal cherry stem. And you can kind of already see some fingerprints. And then we of course get this guy with his glorious hair. Still just a cherry style keycap. And now for the keyboard itself. Really nice braided cable, as you can see. Looks lovely. And this cable sadly isn't removable. This is just plastic. I know that some people like their cases to be aluminium or stainless steel or something like that. And it also has a really nice just metal rim around it. But as you can see here, the cable is braided, and it even has some routing channels here, but it isn't removable like on the TKL and on the 60% board, which is a bit sad. And yeah, and the second thing that we're gonna be unboxing are these glorious Holy Panda switches. So let's just open these up. Ascend. Oh, nice. These switches look amazing. Oh my god. And of course, let's just throw these away. You don't need them. We of course got some stickers, some branding, and a quick start guide. And here we have the glorious Panda switches, which look amazing in their, kind of looks beige on camera, in their orange and white glory. Just give them a listen. Pump right in the beginning, and then they just flatten out, which feels extremely nice. And yeah, the last thing we're going to be unboxing are these HyperX pudding keycaps. I said HyperX pudding keycaps. You're supposed to open them. Nice, and let's pull them out of the box. HyperX, we're all gamers. Gamers is such an overused word. It's just like a buzzword now. And yeah, let's just pull out the keys. Okay, numpad, and these are like the ones if you got the full size and TKL. But this only comes in one size, so you have to get these ones, which is like 1, 2, 3. Yeah, you get it. You're not stupid. You have eyes. We got the right side of the keyboard, and also a keycap holder, because of course I need like a billion of those. I already have 4. This is the right side of the keyboard. Yes, I know my right and left. I'm smart. I know things. I'm just gonna unbox a pair of these, and then we're gonna jump right into the build. Ooh, they look good. As you can see, they are just normal Cherry MX style keycaps, and they are black and white. They look amazing. And this is kind of like a translucent, kind of like the F2 or the numbers or the letters and things like that. And yeah, so that the light just shines through, and it also shines through around. It also shines through here around it. As you can see here on this picture, you can see that the keys light up not just on the letters and the numbers, but also just around, which is amazing. Looks amazing. But yeah, let's cut right into the time lapse of me building this amazing keyboard. Yeah, but if you want to build your own keyboard, you basically just take your switch. As you can see, it has 2 small pins on the back, and this also has 2 small holes. You just take your key and you just push it in. You just push it in, and you hear a bit of a click, and now it's in. Let's cut into a time lapse.
Ladies and gentlemen, can I please have your attention? I've just been handed an urgent and horrifying news story. And I need all of you to stop what you're doing and listen.
And yeah, nice. As you can see here, all these switches are finally in. And this took around 20-25 minutes probably. And if you want a tutorial on how to remove switches, you take your switch puller. I'm using a not the included one. You can take your switch puller. It has some small clasps. You clasp it in here, and then in there you pull it, and then you just pull it out. It's extremely simple. So yeah, once again, how you remove a switch: you take your switch remover, you clasp it on the part of the switch, and you just pull it out. You can see you put the switch remover right here and right there. Yeah, but let's put in all the keycaps in the form of a time lapse.
Made with bits of real panther, so you know it's good.
It's quite pungent.
Oh, yeah.
It stings the nostrils in a good way.
Yeah.
Brian, I'm gonna be honest with you, that smells like pure gasoline.
60% of the time, it works. Every time.
That doesn't make sense.
And here is it finished, as you can see. Sound test from the camera. So yeah, let's plug it in and check out the software and the RGB. And yeah, this is the software for the GMMK. It's the same for the full size or the 60% or the TKL one. It's just that they cut off this or they cut off this. And it sadly can't go in full screen, which is super annoying. But yeah, it has some different RGB options. I kind of like wave 1, wave 2 is a bit worse, spiraling wave looks kind of cool. But yeah, if you want to set up a macro, you might want to do that. You just hit the macro button, and then here you can set your macro. You make like the keys that you want to press to perform the macro. You put the macro and then the delay, and then yeah, it's really quite simple. And the software is a bit strange to download. It says that you have to disable your antivirus software or like your firewall, and yeah, that was a bit sketchy, but it's just a normal RGB software. And the icon is, what the fuck has happened? Where the fuck did my icons go? And the icon, as you can see down here, zoom in on that please. Yeah, it looks like a really old keyboard. When you download it, it does have different versions for ISO or ANSI layout. The ISO layout means that this spacebar is large and the other spacebar in ANSI layout is just wide, kinda. And now for the typing test. This is the spacebar. But yeah, that should get you a feel of how the keyboard sounds. And yeah, anyways, that is it for this video. If you liked it, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. And follow me on Twitch at Luquaz29. Follow me on TikTok at Luquaz. join the Discord, link in the description. But yeah, that is it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!